And we're back, live with Stanley, who's decided to try and answer one last question and risk it all to win $1 million. What creature has the record for the longest migratory journey? Is it A, the sockeye salmon, B, the monarch butterfly, C, the gray whale, or D, the Arctic tern?
I like to phone a friend. My mechanic Buck will know this.
There's $1 million on the line, Stanley. Are you sure you want to call your mechanic?
You betcha.
Let's get Buck on the line.
Stanley, you've been doing great so far. Now, this one's tricky because the gray whale has the longest migration pattern of any mammal. When you open it up to all the animals, the Arctic tern takes the cake, traveling each year from the Arctic Circle to the Antarctic Circle. The answer is D.
Thanks, Buck. I'm going with D.
Is that your final answer?
Yep.
Correct!
When you trust your mechanic, you trust your mechanic. Buck's Automotive, earning Tucson's trust for over 40 years.